Yeah, Daddy.
Hurry up.
Now we're talking.
I don't know what you Peter, Josh.
I'm going to like this interview.
Go. What? You ready? Yeah? Do it? Okay. Hey, Social Wendy here, and we're in the elevator, and we've got people waiting outside. But we've got Steve. Oh my gosh, I'm going to say it wrong. Josh and
Peter.
And they are two of the chefs that have created the awesome sensations here tonight at La Meridia Chambers in Minneapolis. D'Amico Catering, grand opening. I got it in wrong order, but I got it all in. Okay, tell us what we're eating. We're eating something cool. What's your favorite thing here tonight?
Hands down the scallop ceviche.
Where is that? I haven't had it yet.
Courtyard.
Courtyard?
Yeah.
Like right or left? Or
It's right at the top of the courtyard next to the tortilla chips.
Oh, dude, I've missed
Grilled
that.
pineapple, has a yuzu vinaigrette. It's awesome.
Oh my
Hands down
God.
my favorite dish.
And Peter, you, what about you?
I would have to go with the heirloom tomato salad.
And where's that?
That is...
That's in the ART room. That's in
Oh,
the
is
ART
it?
room,
Yes.
yeah.
Oh my gosh, we got to go back down there. So we're going up to 5 because there's a whole cool setting up there, and I heard there's a steakhouse, and then we're going back down to the art room, right?
Yep.
That's the recommend?
Yeah.
You guys know.
You got to try the porterhouse.
The Porterhouse is it?
The
Okay,
porterhouse is it.
we're going to Porterhouse now.